This is the easiest 20-minute weight training workout that actually allows even meatheads like you to build significant muscle in 20 minutes. Yeah, that's it. 20 damn minutes. Think your weak ass can handle it? No more long workouts and wasted time with no results. Considering I'm 54, in better shape than 95% of guys, and half the boneheads in the gym think I'm on steroids, which I'm not, I'd say my program works very well. It's so good I use it myself, and I've taught it to my kids and clients. Before we get into it, just know, if you screw up even one part, you'll end up being one of those pencil-neck losers who trains for a year and looks exactly the same 12 months later. And that goes double for the last thing on my list. So stick around until the end, or die a pathetic, weak marshmallow. Are you ready, pillow biter? Great, because these 8 things could change your life. Protein builds and repairs muscle, so eat a shitload of protein. Let me spell this out for you, pajama-wearing nitwits. No protein, no muscle growth. Aim for 30 to 50 grams of protein at each meal and eat 4 to 6 times a day. Add a protein shake if you need to get your daily protein requirements. Target about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. And only eat good sources of protein. None of that processed meat crap that those green-haired liberal wankers think is food. Also, dumbass, don't try to lose weight at the same time. That's just stupid talk. The healthier you eat, the better. If you're not sure what healthy eating is, or you want a killer diet that will help you build muscle and lose weight easily, subscribe to see my video on the best diet for men. I'll keep it simple for your gullible sponge brain. You don't grow in the gym, dumbass. You grow at rest and during your sleep. So prioritize sleep and rest if you want to grow. Listen up, knucklehead. You know that pathetic guy in the gym on his phone? Yeah, him and that other little twerp who spends more time staring at the girls, the TV, or talking all the time. Well, those losers get 0 results. If you want to build muscle in 20 minutes, the key is to focus and eliminate all distractions. This is a must. This is going to hurt your little pea brain, but if you're tired of being a sad excuse of a man, you must train 5 to 7 days a week. Shut up, you whiny, limp-dicked, pampered princes. You and I both know you have 20 damn minutes each day, so spare me the lame excuses. Then be sure you train each body part 2 times per week. You're not trying to be a gymnast or a long-distance runner, so don't waste your damn time stretching or doing any type of cardio in the gym. It's the losers who do their cardio in the gym, and I can say that because the cardio I do allows me to knock most guys' teeth out. Yeah, martial arts is fantastic cardio. My easy routine is the most important part of being able to build muscle in 20 minutes. To build muscle, all you need to do is train your muscles hard enough to stimulate growth. That's it. You stimulate growth by lifting between 8 and 14 reps and go to 85 to 100% of failure. With the normal way of training, just one exercise takes most brain-dead idiots about 10 minutes to complete. That's because they waste a ton of time doing too many reps and resting way too long. It's unnecessary. With my routine, you can do it in 3 to 5 minutes and still stimulate plenty of growth, especially if you're a beginner to intermediate. So, follow this procedure with every exercise, and you'll be done in 20 minutes and on your way to more muscle and more strength. If you want to train longer, go for it. Set number 1. Use a weight that is 40 to 50% of your max. Do 5 reps very slowly with full extension for maximum stretch. Focus on the stretch under tension. Do not rush. No rest between sets. Change weights as fast as you can and do set number 2. Set number 2. Use 60 to 70% of your max. Do 3 to 5 reps. Focus on full stretch and perfect form. No rest. Change weights as fast as you can. Set number 3. Use 75 to 80% of your max. Do 3 to 5 reps. Focus on strict form. Rest 1 to 2 minutes while you change the weights. Set number 4. Use 90 to 95% of your max. Do as many as you can. Go to failure or just before failure. If you have your max weight correct, you will be lucky to do 8 to 12 reps, and if you end in the 8 to 12 rep range, you're perfect. Do 2 more different exercises in the same way to fully hit the target muscle. Be sure you do exercises that target each part of the muscle. 2 to 3 exercises are usually enough for each body part. However, more exercises might be required for body parts like the shoulder or triceps, which have multiple parts. That's it. Easy peasy. So, I've sat down to do an exercise beside a personal trainer and his client, and in the same time it takes those bozos to complete one exercise, I can complete 3 different exercises. Yes, I'll do 16 sets in the same damn time it takes those lame asses to do 4 or 5 sets. That's because I'm focused and don't waste time, and I clearly get better results. First, with every rep, focus on the muscle contracting, releasing, and stretching. Also, pay attention to your overall growth or your progress so you know when to do more. If you do everything right, you will likely get good gains for the first 6 to 12 months. But there may come a time when 20 minutes is no longer enough. This is when you need to switch up your exercises, increase the weights, and add another 20 minutes to every workout. This will shock the muscle into growing again. However, you might find that just by gradually increasing your weights and mixing up the exercises, this 20-minute routine will keep you growing for years. Guys, a 20-minute workout may sound crazy and it may sound far-fetched. But with this workout, all you're doing is eliminating the wasted time I see 90% of guys do. You are still stimulating the muscle growth, you're just doing it in 20 minutes. And there are pro bodybuilders and trainers who have built massive muscles on just 1 or 2 sets. It's all about stimulating growth. You've heard the saying, don't work harder, work smarter. Well, this is it. For working out and building muscle. Try this and comment to let us know how you did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with that one friend of yours who is weaker and lamer than you. You know exactly who I'm talking about. Remember that thing I told you about that can skyrocket your muscle gains? Well, it's testosterone. Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to do a cycle of steroids. However, since many of you snow-woke, loving, brainwashed puppets have been destroying your testosterone for years by doing stupid shit, it might be a good idea. There are 3 things about testosterone you need to know. First, get your testosterone checked, especially if you don't see gains in the first 30 to 60 days. The second thing is that you need to stop making yourself more of a pansy princess by doing dumb shit that lowers your testosterone. There are things in your diet, your environment, and in your lifestyle that can lower your testosterone. Third, you can and should naturally increase your testosterone. You can see how to raise testosterone naturally, and you can see all the things that lower your testosterone in my next 2 videos here.